In this tutorial, we will show you how to create an update query. You can make changes to your data in the table using the update query. In this video, we will update the prices of all the products without opening the products table. To create an update query, move to the Create tab and then click on the Query Design button. Add the product tables and close the Show Table window. From the products table, let's select the price field. Now click on the Update button from the Query Type group. You will notice a new update row will be added over here. In the update line, put in a square bracket and type in price. With that done, let's put another square bracket to close the keyword, followed by an asterisk sign for multiplication. After that, let's type in the percentage by which you want to increase the price. In this video, we have multiplied the price by 1.2, indicating a 20% increase in the prices of all the products. Now let's click on the View button, and you will notice the present prices of all the products. To toggle back, click on the View button and now press the Run button. A dialog box will appear telling you that prices will be changed. Let's click on Yes to proceed. To view the changed prices, open up the products table and you will notice that the prices are now 20% more than they were before. And that's it.